Hello silly bakers, let's make this apple almond croissant protein baked oatmeal. First let's make our almond paste. This is 1/3 cup of almond butter, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, any sweetener will do, half a teaspoon of almond extract, half a teaspoon of vanilla. We want a dash of cinnamon, which is optional, a pinch of salt. And to loosen it up, we're going to need some hot water, 2 tablespoons. And we're just going to mix this until everything is nicely incorporated. And this is the texture. We're going to set that aside. We're going to melt 1/4 cup of butter and then set that aside. In a large bowl, we're going to add 1½ cups of milk. Any milk will do. I'm using 1 cup soy and ½ cup of cashew milk. 1 large egg, 1/4 cup of maple syrup. You can decrease that and you can also use any sweetener you like. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, half a teaspoon of almond extract, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm using Ceylon cinnamon, and we're going to add the cooled melted butter, which is again 1/4 cup. We're going to grab our whisk and we're going to give the wet ingredients a good mix. And now let's add our dry ingredients. This is 1½ cups of rolled oats. I'm using sprouted oats. I'm using ½ cup of almond flour. I'm using ½ cup of vanilla whey isolate protein powder. If you don't want to use the protein powder, just add more almond flour or oats. 2 tablespoons of ground flax for extra fiber and omega-3s. That is optional. And 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And we're just going to give everything a good mix. Perfect. We're going to add 1 apple that I've chopped. This is optional, but I highly recommend. And just mix that through. This is a 9x9 baking pan that I've buttered. We're going to add our mixture. With a spatula, we're just going to spread it out evenly. And we are going to dollop that almond paste topping all over the oats. And using a knife, we're just going to swirl that almond paste throughout. Lastly, we're going to add 1/4 cup of flaky almonds all over the top. This is optional, but it gives it really great crunch and definitely feels like an almond croissant. We're gonna bake this 375 for 30 to 35 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean and it's nice and golden. We're gonna let this cool for about 10 minutes, and I like to dust it with a little icing sugar, again to give you that croissant vibe. This recipe makes 6 servings. It refrigerates beautifully and it freezes beautifully. Enjoy our apple almond croissant protein baked oatmeal with approximately 23 grams of protein per serving and 10 grams of fiber. This is going to be your new favorite breakfast. This has to be probably one of my best and favorite baked oatmeal recipes. I really hope you guys give this one a try. It's absolutely amazing.